Hey, so today's explanation or today's FAQ that I want to address is expediting a claim before the VA and the Board of Veteran Appeals. So the VA process, it's depending upon which lane you're in and which appeals process you're in, all of that. The numbers that I can express to you as to how long it's going to take for your claim would take 45 minutes to explain to you. But one of the ways in which you can help push your claim along is if you qualify for an expedite of your claim. So there's a number of ways in which the VA will consider expediting cases, and you'll often hear it referred to as advanced on the docket on the BVA level, the Board of Veteran Appeals level, expedite at the regional office level. Key things being extreme financial hardship. Now, when it comes to extreme financial hardship, the VA is looking at very severe financial hardship. So if you're behind on credit card bills, they are not going to consider that as financial hardship. If you file for bankruptcy, they will. If you're in the process of being evicted from your house, if your utilities are late, if you're homeless, those kind of things are going to be considered severe financial hardship. So in order to process a claim under that provision, you're going to want to provide to the VA a copy of past due bills with, like I said, utility bills, eviction notices, mortgage payments late, those kind of things. They typically will not expedite your case for financial hardship if you are late on, say, a car payment or a credit card payment. So providing them with copies of that is helpful. And that's at the regional office and the board level. They both recognize that financial hardship specifically related to homelessness as well. Now, when I say homelessness, I want to clarify that because if you are staying with a friend, sleeping on their couch or not paying rent and staying with a friend, where they are providing a financial support to you, that can be considered a financial hardship and a homelessness. We always look at it, but for the help of this person who cares about you, you would be out on the street. So definitely think about that. The other one is a terminal illness. So if you have been diagnosed with an illness that is terminal, you need a doctor's letter from your doctor that will help support that, and you would submit that as well. However, caveat to that is that we have had expedites approved by a doctor's letter who said that it was a severe illness, but it wasn't, they didn't necessarily say that they would use the word terminal. So cancer treatment, things that could be potentially terminal, we've seen some success with. So the worst thing is the VA is going to just ignore it or not approve it, but you know, might as well submit it if you have some sort of serious illness. The other one is age. So age is different between the board level and the regional office level. 85 years or older at the regional office level, they will expedite your claim. 75 or older at the board level. Now you would think they know your birthday, so you would think that they would expedite it automatically. Don't depend on that. Definitely submit, if your representative, submit a statement. If you're the veteran, submit a statement that says I'm XYZ age and I need my case expedited. Addition to that is if the veteran is a Medal of Honor recipient, a former prisoner of war, or they have ALS, Lou Gehrig's disease. So those are a couple of things in which they will expedite as well. Now, in addition to that, I've seen a couple of cases at the board level who have been expedited because the veteran was experiencing severe suicide ideation. So there's a number of ways in which you can report that. That's a statement, that's your representative helping you to craft a statement. Generally, where I've seen it approved is when we were at a hearing at the board and the judge asked about that and approved and advance on the docket. All advance on the docket means is that your case will come to the front of the line when it comes back from the transcription. So if you are experiencing any of these, the financial hardship one is the hardest one in the sense of you need that documentation, and it can be a little ambiguous, but if you need help with that, contact our office. As you've heard me probably say if you listen to our channel, that I give carte blanche to my paralegals to help any veteran who calls our office and give them advice on what they can do. And even if you're not a client of yours and you want to know of ours and you want to know if your case should qualify for an expedite and what you should submit, feel free to call our office and we'll help support you in that. Thank you.